I'm about to invest in India. The reasons are many. Some are favourable demographics. India has a young population, median age 31 versus 42 for China. Digitisation is proving to be transformational in rolling out goods and services to India's 1.3 billion population, e.g. financial services, reorganising supply chains. Hugely under-penetrated market from housing, credit cards to hair conditioners. The structural growth potential of India is clear. Reform agenda has now expanded to include labour and agriculture. This will help to further open the economy. Existing reform agenda also includes big spending of infrastructure, making India more business friendly and recapitalising the banks. So there's a very big good case for investing in India. I'm going to invest in ETFs. Now ETFs are exchange traded funds. These instruments buy shares in Indian-based companies and infrastructure, and the profit is reflected in dividend payments or the increase in the value of the ETFs. I've picked 7, as I said. I'm not going to describe them in detail at the moment, as I'll be describing each ETF in an individual video, but I'm going to invest in round number of shares in each ETF, about £30. The first one is Aberdeen New Investment Trust PLC. The price is 560. The 52-week range is 296 to 572. The market capitalisation is 303 million. So we go to buy, number of shares, and we want to get as near to £30 as possible, and we just go for 5 shares is £28, and we'll go for 6 shares. Takes us just over, but we'll go for 6 shares, and review order. This will be a market buy order because all the stock exchanges are closed at the moment. Most of these ETFs are either quoted on the New York Stock Exchange or the London Stock Exchange, and I believe one of them is quoted on the German Stock Exchange. Today is Saturday the 13th of the 2nd 2021, and the markets will open again on Monday. So these will be a buy order, and there's some 6 shares in Aberdeen New India Investment Trust, and I'm going to send a buy order. The next one I'm going to look at is India Globalization Capital Inc. And there we go. The current price is £2.29. The 52-week range is 26 pence to £4.50, big range. The market capitalisation is $80 million. I'm going to go for buy. Number of shares. These are in dollars, so, and I'm going for 30. So if I go for about 16, we'll see if that's how near that gets us to £30. Now we'll go for 18. That takes us just about there. If I go for 19, that might just take us over. So we'll go for 19 shares and review order. It's a market buy, and we'll send a buy order. So that's the next one. The next one is Infrastructure India PLC, and that is Infrastructure India. The current price, these are sort of penny shares, 1.836 pence. The 52-week range is a penny to 3 pence. The market capitalisation is 8.87 million, and we're going to go for buy. And that's the number of shares. We're going to get to near as £30 as possible, so I think it's 3,000 shares we buy in that. No, I got that wrong. Oh, of course it's 1.8. If I go for 2,000, might get us a bit nearer to the figure we're looking for. 2,000 is 32. So if I go for 1,900, see how near we get to that. You have to excuse me while I'm doing this. They are almost bang on £30. So we go review order, and it's Infrastructure India market buy, send buy order. You're about to place an order for an AIM listed security stock that trades on the SETSQX segment of AIM, and it suffers low liquidity, which might result in your order getting delayed indefinitely. Do you want to proceed? I do, but I can always cancel if they don't actually end up buying, and this will reflect if I do want to sell as well. So we'll go confirm. So we're sent a buy order for that. The next one is iShares MSCI India, and that is here. The current price is $6.803. The 52-week range is $5.215 to 6.803, so sitting at the highest point at the moment. The net assets of this instrument is $681 million. I'm going to go for buy. Number of shares, and so what, get as near to £30 as possible. So we'll go for 5 shares. Gives us £24. We'll see what 6 shares gets us to. It's £29. I'll see if we can get to 7. 7 might get us a bit over 34. I think I'll take a chance and go for 34 shares. So we go for review order. These are on the these are on the London Stock Exchange, priced in pounds, I think. I'll just double check that. No, they're in dollars, so that'll be on the American Stock Exchange. Review order, send buy order. So we bought those. The next one is JP Morgan Indian Investment Trust PLC, and these are priced at 748 pence. The price range over 52 weeks is 398 to 770. The market capitalisation is 556 million. I'm going to go for buy. Number of shares, we'll try for 4. That'll bring us up to £30.08, almost bang on the money. So we'll send the buy order. JP Morgan Indian Investment Trust, and the order has been sent. As I say, these are all buy orders because the relevant stock exchanges are closed. Then we've got Lakeshore MSCI India. The current price, this is the one based on the German stock exchange, that's at 19.503 euros. The price range over 52 weeks is 10 euros to the current day price of 19, which is high. So we want to invest. We're investing in pounds, and that's converted over. So I think it's probably be 2 shares we'll buy, £34. So we'll go for 2 shares. A review order, send buy order. So we've bought 2 shares in this instrument. And the last one is Ashoka India Equity Investment Trust PLC, and that is here. The current price is 148.22. The 52-week range is 67 pence to 148, so we're now sitting on the highest valuation. Market capitalisation is 98 million, and we're now going to go for a buy. As I say, what I get as near to £30 as possible. I'll try 25 and see what that looks like. That's £37, and if I'll try 20 and see what that looks like. that brings us up to 29.80. I'll try and get it over the 30 marks. We'll go for 21. That's 31.29. Review order. You don't have sufficient funds to trade. I think I might be a wee bit I might have overspent because I was aiming for £30. So if I try and move it down to I said 16, it's taking me over. So what I'll do, I'll add some more funds to my account, then I'll buy shares in Ashoka also. So we'll take it that I've actually bought shares in Ashoka. So we'll have invested in 7 instruments that gives us exposure to India. So I hope you found this interesting. India has a great deal of potential. I've been to Delhi. I've spent a week in India. There's so much potential there, and it's so different from China. I think we may have better relations with India and our heritage. There's a lot of British heritage in India, and I really hope that India does succeed. So and I've demonstrated this by investing in India. So as I say, look out for my individual videos where I discuss in greater detail each ETF. Until next time, I thank you for watching, and I sincerely hope you have a very successful investing adventure. So please subscribe. Any questions or comments are more than welcome.